Okay, I just wanted to show you the calculations for the quiz problem that comes up a lot like this. So this is going to be compounded periodically, so that first equation on the top of this page. P equals 1100, R equals 0.05, and T equals 4.5. And compounded monthly, oh, forgot this guy. There's 12 months in a year, so we're going to use 12. Okay, I'm going to plug this in the calculator. All right, I think I've got it correct. Bottom line there, 1411.69. Okay. Next problem is kind of a different problem, but I wanted you to see an example because it's really not too bad. First of all, they give us our exponential equation, and it has to do with how big investments in equipment get depreciated. That means their value increases. It decreases a lot in the first few years of the purchase. So we've got this function v of t is 800,000. That means they spent 800,000 for this dump truck, the initial value. And then it's 1 minus 0.4 to the t. And this gives the value pretty well for the first 5 years. Okay, t is in years, v is in dollars. What is the value of the dump truck after 2 years and 9 months? Look, we're going to use a decimal here because 9 divided by 12 is going to be 0.75 years. So we get 2.75 years. And the value of the dump truck after 2.75 years is going to be v of 2.75, 800,000 times. Now I'm going to do the subtraction. It's just 1 divided minus 0.4, so that's 0.6 is the base of this exponent. It'll just be easier to work with. I'm going to throw that in the calculator. Okay, so again, the bottom line looks like the value goes down to 244,681.83 cents. 244,681. Now, I'm rounding up to the closest penny, so I'm rounding on that third digit, which is greater than 5. And the reason I'm being picky about this is because I kind of think the quiz is going to be picky as well. So 0.83. And give the domain and the range. All right, this is actually not bad. Took me a while to notice that they actually gave us the domain right here. So in interval notation, our domain is going to be between 0 and 5. Okay. Sorry, I should probably include that. And the range is going to be between, actually I think this might be this way. I'll double check and let you know. Okay, our range is going to be between 0 and the original value of it, 800,000. And after how many years will the truck be worth 60,000? All right, well, we need a logarithm again. So we have to set up the equation, 60,000 equals 800,000 times 0.65 to the t. Get that base by itself. And looks like that reduces to, see, 3. Okay, so 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 80 40 times. All right, so the next step, I'm just going to take the log base 0.65 of both sides. And when I do that, I'll get some number equal to t. Log base 0.65 to the base of the exponent 0.65 cancels those both out, and I'm just left with t on the right-hand side. Let's go to the calculator. Math, go up, it's faster to get to a. We have 3 over 40. So a little over 6 years. I'm going to put 6.01. Using this model. Now I realize that's slightly out of the domain, but we answered the question. All right, I'm going to stop this video. The next couple examples will take a bit.